Guys, welcome to Soul Food Sunday. Today we're gonna make some wonderful shrimp and grits coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. Guys, if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? It is Soul Food Sunday. You hit that hashtag. You came over from Brother AB or Soul Food Cooking's channel. Guys, Brother AB reached out to me, said, hey, get in on this, CJ. Be a part of Soul Food Sunday yet again. We did this last year. So when you hit that hashtag Soul Food Sunday, you will see a bunch of my videos, a bunch of soul food cooking videos, and a bunch of smoking and grilling with AB's videos too, and a couple other people that wanted to join in on this. All right, so make sure you hit that hashtag after you watch this video. So one thing that is my ultimate favorite soul food dish, southern dish, whatever you want to call it, comfort food, all that stuff kind of encompasses soul food cooking, is shrimp and grits. Everywhere I go that has shrimp and grits, I will get it. We were in New Orleans a couple years back. I got it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Threw an egg on it and breakfast. It was just amazing, okay? So this is actually the first time I've made it on the channel, which is pretty odd to me. So today we're gonna do my little take on it. We're gonna make some cheesy, buttery grits and fry up some shrimps. And then I'm gonna make a nice little Cajun cream sauce to put over the top of it. Just flavor everywhere, okay? It's just explosions of flavor. It's so freaking good. It's time to go over the grocery list that you're gonna need, what you need to put in your cart. All right, let's get going. First thing you're gonna need is some shrimp. I got some 16-20 shrimp. It means there's 16 to 20 shrimps in a pound, okay? I have about a half a pound of that in there. We have some easy 5-minute grits. If you guys wanna go the old school route and spend a bunch of time making your grits, knock yourself out. But to me, these taste pretty dang comparable and you get it done in a fraction of the time. I have some smoked Gouda cheese that we're gonna put in there, a little butter that we're gonna put in there, half a cup of bacon that we're gonna render down to put over the top, but we're also gonna cook the shrimp in that rendered bacon fat so you know it's good. Seafood stock with a little bit of chicken stock mixed together, so a cup of seafood stock, a cup of chicken stock, olive oil. We have some Cajun seasoning in there. Any Cajun seasoning will work. I have amazing Cajun seasoning from Heaven Made Products. I'll put a link down below for their website. There's actually a 20% off code, so if you want to try their stuff out, give it a shot. I have some mixed bell peppers that I've chopped up, diced up pretty small. That's gonna go in the cream sauce. We have some heavy whipping cream and a little green onion for the top, all right? So very, very simple ingredients. Fresh, good, tasty ingredients. For all my Ninja Foodi fans out there, this isn't what you're used to, but hey, take this recipe and make it your own. I actually have thought about grilling these shrimp on my Ninja Foodi grill, so that's something you can do to make it your own. Today, I am only on the stove, and we're gonna make these wonderful, wonderful ingredients, combine them all to make an amazing soul food dish. So come on over to my stove. Let's get started. It's gonna be a good one, guys. Stick around. All right, before I put you over on the stove right here as we're stepping our way from the opening to the stove, I want you to know I already rendered down some diced bacon. I wanted to have it ready to go so we can get those shrimps cooking. But the first thing we're gonna start with is boiling the stock so we can get those grits made. They're gonna take about the most time. We're gonna start sauteing those bell peppers too. So we're gonna start kind of doing this in layers. So we're gonna keep you on the stove and just keep things moving and grooving, okay? Okay, we got our stock getting ready to boil in there. We're gonna get a non-stick pan on this little burner right here. Give it a little bit of heat underneath. Add a little olive oil to the mix. Let that heat up a little bit, and then we're gonna put our bell peppers in. All right, we're boiling up over here. Let's get our grits in. Turn the heat down, way down, to a medium. And we're just gonna stir for about 5 to 7 minutes. It doesn't have to be a constant stir, but you're gonna wanna keep coming back to it. Our olive oil's heated up. Let's add our bell peppers in. Add a little pinch of salt in there. Let it draw out some of that moisture. We're gonna evaporate some of the moisture in there, and we'll add the cream to it, a little Cajun seasoning, and we'll have a luscious cream sauce. I split the difference. We went 6 minutes on these. Then 5 to 7, we're going 6. So I'm gonna take this and move it over here, take it off the heat, move the cast iron back on the main heat. Peppers are looking good. Let them go a little bit longer. And we'll start building that cream sauce. In the meantime, we're gonna get the heat on underneath the cast iron. Let's a little warm, and we'll get our shrimps in there. These shrimps are gonna take no time at all. We're gonna get them in the cast iron, probably a minute or two each side. You'll be able to tell as each side cooks, it'll tighten up a bit, turn more pink, get rid of that translucent, you know, look through the shrimp. They're gonna have a kind of a blackened look to them because I have that Cajun seasoning in it. They're gonna take, like I said, no time at all. I usually save that for my last part. I'm telling you, when all these flavors combine, you're gonna lose your mind on how good this is. Let's get these shrimps cooked. Let's get the cream sauce made, finish up the grits, plate it, devour it, and enjoy it. All right, our peppers are looking good. I'm gonna add a little of our Cajun seasoning to it. I'm gonna turn down the heat just a little bit more. And we're gonna do about a cup of cream in there. Just give it a stir. I'm gonna let these flavors kind of melt together. Reduce the cream just a little bit. And then get it ready to pour over the shrimps. Time to get the shrimps on. Our cast iron is searing hot. I got my little baby cast iron here because I'm only doing a ½ pound of shrimp. But if you want to use a bigger one, feel free. I'm telling you, cooking shrimp in bacon fat, I don't know what's much better out there. Last one. We'll let it go. While that's cooking, we're gonna continue to stir our little cream sauce here. You could add some butter to this, but I feel like we got enough richness running through this that we'd just be gilding the lily by now if we added butter to this. We're gonna let this reduce and thicken up just a tad bit. And you'll start working on them grits. Let's get these shrimps flipped over. A nice color to them, looking good. These are gonna be done. There's so much heat in that pan, I'm gonna turn it off. Let them finish up. And we'll get them on a separate plate so they don't overcook. And we'll start working on the grits. Our grits stand for a little bit. Now it's time to add in all our mix-ins. I'm gonna do a heavy tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna have about a cup or so of grated smoked Gouda going in. And I don't know if it's kosher or not, but I'm gonna add some green onions in there just for the flavor. Then a bunch of cracked black pepper. I like a lot of pepper, so you can do what you want to do. I'm gonna turn the heat on just a little bit. I'm gonna turn it way down though. Just get a little residual heat working in there, or a little extra heat more than the residual. These are gonna be luscious, creamy. You guys can see it. That butter incorporated. Look at that. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, we're gonna check for seasoning too. I didn't want to salt it because the broth had some salt in it. Obviously the cheese and the butter has a little salt in it. So let's see if we need to add anything. Yep, we could use a little bit more salt in there. So, a couple pinches. See, the thing is with salt, you could add, but you can't take away, right? So we're gonna let this stir in there a little bit more. Oh, that's looking good, looking real good. Give me another spoon. There you go. Back. I'm gonna add a little bit more cracked black. Plenty of salt. Cracked black pepper's good. All right, guys, we're ready to plate this dish. Get over to my kitchen island. Get it all plated up. Our grits are in a bowl. Last minute pivot, and I didn't put it on film. Put some of the cream sauce in with the grits just to get that flavor going all the way through. Sometimes you make little pivots in the kitchen. A couple more on top here. All right, we want to hit it with that cream sauce, that luscious, sweet, tasty cream sauce. Those bell peppers, it's like sweet, spicy, savory, all in the one. That's why I wanted to add a little of it to my my grits. I'm gonna add a little bacon to the top. Not only is it good to cook shrimp with, it's good for garnish. All right, little green onion. Beautiful, beautiful. Good stuff, guys. All right, let's try it. Team, this one's a hit right now. I love Soul Food Sunday. I love it when AB and Robert from Soul Food Cooking invite me in on this. Listen, soul, comfort, any of that stuff knows no color line, and we all enjoy a great meal and sitting around breaking bread with people, cooking from the heart, cooking from the soul. It's what I'm all about here. All right, so I'm gonna try this one, but I'm gonna tell you already, I've tried it. While I'm cleaning up, doing my thing around here, getting everything ready, thumbnail, all that stuff, I just could not wait to try it. So this is not a blind reaction. This is, I know this is good. All right, so I got shrimp. I took the tail off. Got some grits, a little bacon, a little greenery on top. Cheers. Money in the bank. I'm telling you right now, it's creamy, it's cheesy, a little smoky with that Gouda and the bacon, a little spice with that Cajun, sweet from the peppers and the shrimp, unctuous, amazing, so good if I don't say so myself. I might hurt my shoulder from patting myself on the back. It's so good, guys. Listen, guys, if you like what you've seen here today, please hit that subscribe button. Soul Food Sunday will keep going on for the time being. Keep looking at that hashtag, but I'm gonna finish up my meal right here. I got nothing more to say. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.